Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Look, we need to lay new asphalt on this bridge. A large truck is already bringing crushed asphalt. Pour the asphalt here, truck. Lifty, wait! The road is not ready yet. Your wheels leave traces.
Oi.
Asphalt must be compacted first, right, Leo?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Unload your body. We will build a road roller. Let's put the motor on this heavy platform. A cabin. A steering wheel. Driver's seat. Wings. Two wheels behind. A frame for the cylinder in front. Headlights. Exhaust pipe. And two spotlights on the roof. Is the roller ready? No! It needs a cylinder to level and compact asphalt. Let's go look. The robots are following Leo again. Oh, Leo has already found everything. Which of these things is roller's cylinder? This one. Right. Look, Leo does the happy dance. Hey, robots, what are you up to? Where are you taking the cylinder? They're playing again. Robots, wait! It's hard to catch up with you. Help us put the cylinder in place. Excellent! Now, let's see how the road roller works. The road and the bridge are ready. Lifty, you can go. Look! Leo, Lifty, and Scoop are hiding behind some rectangles. They are going to watch some new cartoons. And you? Choose quickly. Click on the rectangles. Quickly, before they disappear.